create, the energy of the female is to receive, to nurture, and to express the community. It's the same thing in the sexual act. Is the male gives, the female receives, holds, and nurtures, and that's the mystery of life. So we believe that Olodumare is the balance of both the male and the female, the dark, the light, the up, the down, the inside, the outside. And so in some of the expressions that we have, you will find Olodumare in its full essence as female. And you will find Olodumare in its full essence as male. And so those are the energies that sometimes when you hear of indigenous culture, you may not know the name of it. So the name that was given to the manifestation or the expression of the universe, we call Orisha. And Orisha is actually or the different levels of expression that we will find on earth. So we have Orisha that are air, that are manifested by air, that are projected by fire, by water, by all of the elements. And those are the things that connect us to the Creator, because all of those things we need and we use and we have within us. Just as we have air outside, we have air inside of us. Just like there is water, we have water outside and we have water inside of us. We have two different types of waters inside. And so we have Orisha, or one energy or one manifestation of God is sweet water, which is the saliva. And then we have the expression of the salty water, which is Yemanja, which is our blood and our perspiration. And that's a manifestation or expression from coming from within us. So we believe that God, or it's so strange talking about God in school, but that God manifests itself whenever it's required. Whenever it's required, it can be aggressive and it could be receptive, dealing with the different circumstances or whatever is required. And so when a child comes to, we believe in incarnation, that when you come back this incarnation, you have had other experiences and other lives, and you bring some of that reflection with you, and some of the gifts and talents and personalities that we have are different expressions and spirits and intelligence from other incarnations. That this is not our first time. And so when a child is born, when the child is 3 days old, a reading or consultation is done. Just as we have the consultation on the weather. And we use binary mathematical system just as we do with the interpretation of the weather. And through that, you're able to see what are the reflections or what are the strengths and the weaknesses and the tendencies of that particular spirit that came back, which the child comes back bringing. So some children may be very aggressive, some may be very passive, or some may have a personality that comes prepared to do one particular career or one particular path. And it is believed that each spirit that comes back to allow the expression of God through them will be able to make this world a better place.